Homemade strawberry ice cream. This strawberry ice cream is wonderful and very simple to make at home, only with 3 ingredients. It is super creamy and rich. The preparation time is very short and very simple to make ice cream. Ingredients: 1 cane condensed milk, 1 cream pot 250 grams, 400 grams strawberries. 1. We blend strawberries in blender as a first step. 2. Then in a bowl we will beat until the condensed milk and cream are integrated. 3. Add to this, shake the strawberries and mix gently, integrating the fruit well into the mix. 4. Now take it mixture in freezer 3 to 4 hours. 5. After 4 hours the strawberry ice cream is ready. I decorated with a homemade strawberry sauce too. There are no excuses for not making a delicious homemade strawberry ice cream. Thanks you guys for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new videos.